What's up, guys? Got this HRN216 in. Customer wants some new drive wheels. These guys are pretty bald, so I'll show you quick, real simple steps to replace those, where to get the new wheels. You can get them from Honda, or you can buy them aftermarket. I've had good luck with the aftermarket ones. I'll show you where you can get those uh, much more cheaper than the OEMs. So I'll show you real quick, couple steps, real simple, and just how to clean that up inside too. And follow along, I'll show you how to do that. So like I said, on these are so shot, we're going to come in with the brand new wheels and put the new ones on. So we got to get this first wheel off. This is a 12mm nut. We'll get rid of that wheel. I like to clean up this axle real good. We'll come in with the new wheel. Good. The other side, same thing. Clean this up. Okay, I'm going to start it real fast and make sure that the wheels drive. All right, that's all it is. Replacing those wheels. Sounds pretty good. Like I said, you can use grease on there if you want, or a dry grease, but I seem to find that it collects a lot of dust, so I kind of just keep them clean, and that's it. So obviously the last time this wheel, the inner part didn't wear out, just the tread wore out. Got any questions, guys? Hit me up in the comments. You can check out my other content here, and here. You can check out my channel there, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.